I cook my nice under in a stew pea and this is rice. Now come here, baby. My strong man getting to work with me. Ooh. So guys, happy Sunday to my boyfriend. He wanted stew peas. I got oxtail, pigtail, chicken back. Like it?
Alright, that's all. Thank you so much. I love you.
The gravy in a plate, let me see if it watery. It watery to you?
No.
You like it, though?
Love it.
Okay, baby. So guys, while I'm cleaning the stuff, Luis is there preparing some corned beef and cabbage and rice. Right, baby? So guys, we're back with our content, so watch and enjoy. Because now we're doing some turkey neck and some rice and peas to my boyfriend. He had some turkey chicken back and white rice this morning earlier. But get ready with this. Ready guys, so this is where we clean up the turkey neck and have the sashes in it, brown stew turkey neck, and this is the seasoning. So we got the peas boiling for the rice. Guys, ready up, get the base. So now we're rubbing up the turkey neck in some seasoning, okay? That shit ain't a good enough. Alright. This is where we cut up them here to go like turkey neck. And this is the peas coming along. It is not boilers yet. Hold on. And this is the turkey neck. Stop. So this is where I prepare this brown stew turkey neck and rice and peas and some raw veggie dancing. Team food. Me not sell off, you know, but me no idiot. Me a cook curry chicken back and yam with white rice. So me yam tonight, me yam my morning and good home. Me man a come to fix me salad. Anyway.